Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking posture and setting feet. This is the only way to make the metal two-step work. Place your lead foot a half step forward, keep knees slightly bent, and center your weight over the balls of your feet so you can push or absorb momentum. Once stable, count the bar in 4/4 and prepare on beats 3 and 4. Start the step precisely on beat 1. This setup gives you balance, mobility, and the timing you need to execute the move cleanly. Now you drive the step. Push with the back foot to create a controlled forward motion, not a lunge, so you stay grounded and ready to recover. As you land on the lead foot, pivot 30 to 45 degrees on the ball of that foot to redirect energy. This creates the characteristic two-step rhythm. Make sure to use your arms for balance and drop the same side shoulder a little into the move for stability. Once you feel the pivot, reset weight and prepare to repeat on the next beat. To finish, immediately return your weight to a neutral stance so you can repeat the pattern smoothly on the next bar. This reset is what keeps the motion sustainable. Keep breathing steadily and count the music so you stay locked to the rhythm. Once done, smaller, controlled steps beat big, sloppy moves. If you notice sliding or over-rotation, shorten your push-off, lower your center of gravity, and tighten your pivot. Doing that corrects balance quickly and prevents loss of control while keeping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.